Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today I will be analyzing Manappuram Finance. This is one of the query in my WhatsApp group. First see the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is only for educational purpose, and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is only your responsibility, and I can't be held legally responsible for your profit or loss. So this is the daily chart of Manappuram Finance, and this we see that once a bottoming out happened, then there was few consolidation, few oscillation of the price action between this range guarded by this trend line and the lower trend line. So this is basically an ascending triangle with a context of having a bull trend behind. So we know that if such a pattern happens, it breaks on the upper side, and that's what happened. Now this chart, this pattern, this is bullish for sure. Now what is happening is this is currently forming a flag, and this has given a breakdown. So possibly after a breakout this might consolidate more and possibly either come to the place where it has started a breakout, or maybe settle at here or here. So this is something that we have to watch, that at what levels consolidation ends, and then we can go long again. So currently it is good if you can watch for a few days. Let's say that if it goes above again this red line, then one can buy again. But then if it is trading below that, then it has multiple stops where it can actually stop before going up. So one is 115, other is 109 or 10, and another is 105, 104 or 5. So this is something that we have to see, that at what level it actually stops coming down and again reverses to the place to the original trend, that is bull trend. So currently it will be good if you can wait for some time before going long into Manappuram Finance again. So that's it guys. If you have any further queries, you can ask in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.